Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download your Facebook data. So for that, first of all, open up the Facebook application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the profile picture in the top right corner here. Scroll down and then tap on this settings and privacy and then simply tap on this settings option. And then from here, you have to tap on this see more in account center. Now once you are here, you have to scroll down and then under account settings, you can see this option your information and permissions. Tap on it. Now from here under access your information, tap on this download your information. Simply tap on this download or transfer information. Select your Facebook account and then tap on next and then tap on available information. Now you can go ahead and tap on this download to device or transfer to destination. For now, we are going for this download to device. Now you can also go ahead and select the date range like last week, month, last year, last 3 years or all the time. I'm going for this all time and tap on this save. Now you have to simply tap on this create files and you will see your information is being prepared for download. Once it is download, you will get a notification on your email address and from there you can go ahead and retype the data. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.